Welcome to another exciting episode. This has just arrived and it is a industrial power connectors. It's a big plug. It is a MENNEKES 32 ampere and it has 3 pole. If you wired it, you just lose this because this will tighten the royal cord, mostly royal cord to be used, and it is rated at IP67, meaning 6 means dust, 7 means water. So it is a dust proof and waterproof. Can be temporarily submerged up to 1 meter for 30 minutes maximum. This is the opening. If you're going to wire this, just loosen to screw. Use flat or Philip, I think. Yeah, Philip can be used also. For reference, this is the ground and it's always on this area. So if you put it back, just make sure you aligned it to here one, and it can be. So it has a 3 pole. This is the ground, the big one. This, can you see this symbol of ground? And this one is the line, mostly would be the neutral for the next one. It has a L positive. Okay, it's just 2 screw. Just leave it here. This one is the locking mechanism, secondary locking mechanism for the watertight. Let's check this one. That's the plug. This is the outlet. So this can be open. Let's open this first. Yep, just going to rotate. It has a rubber. Even though it's not in use, you can do it like that and it's still dust and waterproof. Can be used on industrial areas, wet, moisture, chemical, name it. Like that. So this one, the big guy, always here is your reference. It will go like that. Then open it. It has 4 screws. Just flip it like that. Just flip it like this. loosen, and there. See, again, put it back again and remove it. This is nice. It has 3 knockouts. Can be used for 225 mm. I think this is 1 inches, and it can be rotate. You can put it like that. See, this one is a free open. It's already open. Mostly if you use on a waterproof area, just do it like that, because if they wash it, like you need to clean it, they can spray the water on it. It will not affect, but if you do like that, water might seep in if you don't make it watertight. So this is the original place. It has 2 screws for mounting. This one, okay, and just put it here. Here you can see it's just as simple as a rubber seal for dust and waterproof. Let's check this one out. This we can open this. It is we can open this one using a torque screw number T10. Okay, let's check it out. But no need to open this one. I just would like to show you the locking mechanism. Then there you go. It has a 2 similar. This one goes here. See, it's grip it because it has a simple lock, relocking. See, just like that. See, same as this one, the ground, but much bigger. Ooh, hard. Okay, and there is always 2 for maximum tight. This one, well, okay, see, just put it back and pull it back like that. This and this one, just put it on the top of this one. The globe, it's just a guide. Then put it back again. So no need to open this one. I just show you, but you don't need to open it. Just tight, but not too tight, just right, so that it will not break. Okay, then let's put it back. Again, showing you here, see. Okay, and just put back this one temporarily, because I'm going to install it later on a food processing factory. just checking it if it's good, because if you install this, sometimes they just forget it that it's there. So need to check it properly, completely. Okay. Alright. See, that's lock. But if you put this back, just align the ground to here, just like that. Then a flat screw. Flat screw is much better. If you tighten it, it doesn't slide. So for now, we don't need to tighten it, but for permanent installation, you have to tighten it. So that's where you put. Okay, it has a rubber. Then you can open it like that, plug it in, as this is the line side and this is the load side. Just plug it in and make sure you align the groove to lock. Oh, it's not yet aligned. Okay, that's it. It has two grooves. Did not see that. See, this one's lock, this was lock. Just align the two, then twist it like that. Oops, sorry. Twist it like that, and it's locked. So this is how you install that. This one, it can be removed. It's just for the royal cord. How big is that? That's a big royal cord. If you tighten it, it will squish the cord. So just push it like that, then tighten it. Look at that. See? Okay, quite nice, quite tough. See? It can be submerged but not permanently. 30 minutes. So meaning it can be washed. So water can not penetrate this industrial plug. So we're good.